Mental fatigue, cognitive fatigue, and mental exhaustion. Mental fatigue is a psychological state of tiredness and reduced cognitive performance caused by prolonged, demanding cognitive activity. Cognitive relates to mental processes such as thinking, learning, and remembering. Cognitive fatigue is a state of exhaustion from prolonged or intense mental effort, leading to difficulties with attention, executive function, and decision making, often resulting in a decline in task performance. Mental exhaustion is a state of cognitive and emotional overload characterized by symptoms like difficult concentrating, lack of motivation, irritability, and sleep issues, stemming from prolonged mental strain and lack of recovery. What are the signs and symptoms of mental fatigue? In cognitive, it's difficulty concentrating, forgetfulness, trouble with decision making, and complex problem solving, and slower task completion. In emotional, increased irritability, feeling stressed, losing in work or other activities, or feeling disconnected. In behavioral, putting off tasks, avoiding responsibilities, or decreased work or school performance. In cognitive fatigue, the signs and symptoms are difficulty concentrating, forgetfulness, and slow thinking, which can show when you find yourself struggling to find the right words, making more errors, and needing to repeat reading things until you fully understand. When you see yourself this way, this is more on cognitive fatigue. Brain exhaustion can be difficulty concentrating, memory problems, and mental fogginess. Mental fogginess is a temporary feeling of reduced mental clarity, difficulty focusing, concentrating, remembering things, and thinking clearly. And what are the causes of mental fatigue? Prolonged cognitive demands, such as engaging in high pressure jobs, complex tasks, or long working hours that require significant mental effort, and high pressure occupations, job that demands continuous critical thinking and decision making. Cognitive fatigue is caused by prolonged mental effort, excessive stress, and lack of sleep. Other contributing factors are poor nutrition, multitasking, certain medical conditions like diabetes or autoimmune diseases, and environmental factors like dim lighting or high noise levels. What are the causes of mental exhaustions? Prolonged stress from a combination of sources, including overwhelming work, intense emotions, challenging life events, and lack of sleep. How to address mental fatigue? Take regular breaks. Short breaks during mentally demanding activities can improve focus and productivity. Exercise. Physical activity, even a short 15 minutes walk, can help relieve stress and improve mental clarity. Prioritize sleep. Ensure you are getting enough sleep, though sleep alone may not fully resolve deep mental exhaustion. You may need professional help. If mental fatigue continues, it could lead to symptoms of depression or mental health issues. You can consult a mental health professional. For cognitive fatigue, short breaks is also important. Physical exercise and healthy lifestyles. Breaking down tasks, relaxing activities to distress, and walking, brisk walking, jogging, prioritizing sleep, Hydration or drinking enough water daily is very good for brain functions. And balanced diet all replenish mental energy. All this helps mental exhaustion, but in addition, practice mindfulness and set boundaries to manage your work overload and reduce stress. Pre-planning is very important. In Matthew 11:28 to 29 states, "Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and humble in heart, and you will find rest for your souls." God bless. Tiny here.